Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a new breast pumping tutorial that can help mothers make pumping more comfortable, effective, and easier to manage in daily life. For many new mothers, pumping can feel overwhelming at first because there are many small things to learn, like timing, positioning, storage, and building a routine. But once you understand the basics, the process becomes much more simple and natural. Before starting, always make sure your hands are clean and all pump parts are properly washed and assembled. Good hygiene is very important because it helps keep the milk safe for your baby. Next, choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Your body responds better when you feel calm, so creating a peaceful environment can make a big difference during pumping sessions. Before using the pump, take a minute to relax your body. Some mothers gently massage the breast or use a warm cloth for a short time before pumping. This can help support milk flow and make the session smoother. Now place the pump correctly and begin slowly. If you are using an electric pump, start with a gentle suction level and increase gradually if needed. If you are using a manual pump, try to keep a slow and steady rhythm. In the beginning, milk may not flow immediately, and that is completely normal. Your body may take a few minutes to respond, especially if you are still adjusting to pumping. Staying patient and relaxed is very important. During the session, try to maintain a comfortable rhythm instead of pumping too fast. A calm and consistent approach usually helps your body respond more naturally. It is also important to pay attention to comfort. If something feels uncomfortable, take a moment to adjust the pump position or suction level. Small adjustments can make a big difference in your experience. Some mothers also use gentle breast compression during pumping. This can help support milk flow and may help remove milk more effectively. After finishing, transfer the milk carefully into a clean storage container. Labeling the milk with the date and time can help you stay organized and manage storage more easily. Cleaning your pump after every use is another important step. Wash all parts properly and allow them to dry completely before storing them. Building a regular pumping routine can also help over time. Pumping at similar times each day helps your body adjust and can make sessions smoother and more predictable. Most importantly, avoid comparing yourself with others. Every mother's body is different, and your routine may develop in its own way. With practice, patience, and consistency, breast pumping becomes easier and more manageable, and it can naturally fit into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.